the IRIS12 PU Leather and Leather Care Guide series. This time we were planning to talk about hydrolysis, but because it took a long time to edit, we have changed plans and will now bring you episode 7, PU Leather and Synthetic Leather. What's the difference?
Hello, I'm Iris, a big fan of PU leather. Today I'm going to talk a little lightly about synthetic leather, which is something that surprisingly few people know about. Today's topics are 1. What is synthetic leather? 2. PVC leather and PU leather. 3. Other synthetic leathers. 4. Summary, I'll be talking about these topics. Synthetic leather is not just PU leather. Roughly speaking, it is a material with an artificial coating on fabric. The most typical one is PVC leather, or polyvinyl chloride leather. PVC leather is cheap and has excellent water resistance. In addition to interiors, it is also used for outdoor, industrial and military purposes, making it perfect for car seats. However, it is a bit hard and not very breathable. The appeal of this material is that it is cheap and suitable for mass production and has high water resistance and durability, making it ideal for rain gear, bags, raincoats, furniture, etc. Isn't it great? However, it is hard, rough to the touch, and tends to be stiff. It is somewhat difficult to process, and there is a possibility of cracking after long-term use. According to Length, who is knowledgeable about military equipment, if it is properly stored in a warehouse, it can last for 50 years. Really? And then there is the familiar PU leather, also known as polyurethane leather. PU leather is soft and just like real leather. It's super soft and light and perfect for fashion. Soft and supple. There's a lot of freedom in design, and even the suits I wear are made from PU leather. It has a beautiful shine and is comfortable to wear. As I've explained before, the problem is that it's vulnerable to moisture, heat, and UV rays. It also deteriorates through hydrolysis. The storage environment is important, but it has a lifespan of about 5 to 10 years, and in humid countries like Japan, it's only 3 years. The two types I just introduced are the main synthetic leathers, but there are even more advanced materials. Microfiber has improved strength and texture, and vegan leather is a new age material that is environmentally and animal-friendly. Expert Sophia explains in detail. Summary: PVC leather is highly water-resistant and durable, can be used both indoors and outdoors, and is a strong material, but it doesn't feel very good to the touch. PU leather looks